You see who it is? It's kind of hard to hear the hate 10 bands in my ears, man. You know, you already know me.
Love it when you glowing, girl, it do something to me. Who's around town or dinner in a movie? She ain't that choosy, ain't that ghetto. Never out of pocket, always stay mellow. Stiletto or soft shoe, that's how my shit do.
Beijing 59 hairline on me. You know what I'm saying? You already know what it is, man. I'm at Supreme Focus Studios. How the Deaf in the building, 50 Rich in the building. CYC, man, you already know, man. Fish scale season, man. Hosted by DJ Andy DiBiase. It's definitely on the way, man. I do it big, man. Guest appearances for everybody, man. You know what I'm saying? I fuck with the streets fuck with me, man. I'm here, man. They never there, man. Louis V shades on me, man. Spent the band on those. 300 for the mix, man. 250 for the coat on. 50 for the naughty skirt, 125 for the shirt, 125 for the G-shot. You know, little light work, man. I ain't bring all the ice game over here, man. Why, man? You know what I'm saying? Why do all that, man? You know what I'm saying? Just keeping it pimping, man. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, man, you already know, man. Fish scale season, man. Bands and bankrolls doing what it's supposed to be doing. Bird Cartel doing what it's supposed to be doing. Straight Drop doing what it's supposed to be doing. I'm Focused doing what it's supposed to be doing. Like, man, come on, man. Mixtape after mixtape, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm just tired of running the treadmill, running in the same spot, man. So we about to be doing these DVDs and doing all this other shit, man. We got a lot of shit in the making, man. It's popping like bacon, man. You already know where I be, man. Everywhere. They never there. ATL, MIA, Houston, Chicago, Detroit, man. Las Vegas, man. I'm everywhere, man. Shout outs to Nicki Minaj, man. We did it big at her DA Bags. Miami Beach Club. You know what I'm saying? Shout outs to Floyd Money May, man. Shout outs to P Rilla, man. Shout outs to all my niggas, man. Shout outs to 1,000 Egos, man. Shout outs to Hot to Death, man. Shout outs to Supreme Focus BCI for life, man. I'm the boss, man. Eagle Fly Gang, man. If you fuck with me, I'll fuck with you. You don't fuck with me, man. Fuck you, man. I mean that, man. I live that, man. Like real talk, man. Don't got no problems, man. But if I do, the 38 is solve it, man. But it's all good, man. I'm just comfortable, man. You see me, look at me, man. Like, take a whole glimpse of the time. You feel me? Cool, man. You know, styrofoam, man. Like, doing it real VIP, man. But this CYC, man, I ain't notorious, baby. This CYC, Canary, Yellow, Chello, all the hoes say hello when they see this fellow in that Ferrari yellow thing, man. You feel me? It's all good, man. I do it for the hood, man. I do it for you, and you. Facebook.com, Canary Yellow Chello, man. It's spelled just how it sounds. Fuck with me. Twitter.com, Canary the Boss. It's spelled just how it sounds, man.